Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 27. Quaestio vicesima et septima. In quo consistit Christi humiliatio? Responsio. Humiliatio Christi in eo consistit, quod fuerit natus, et quidem humili conditione, factus sub lege, quodque vitae huius miserias, irdram Dei mortemque crucis, execrabilem subierit, quod sepultus fuerit, et sub potestatem mortis aliquam Deo camoratus. The question, in what does the humiliation of Christ consist? In what does Christ's humiliation consist? Quo here is the interrogative pronoun in the neuter, singular, and ablative. The subject of this verb is humiliatio, which is feminine, singular, and nominative, and the verb is consistit. Christi, in the masculine singular genitive, is dependent on humiliatio. It's a genitive of possessor. And now the answer. The humiliation of Christ. Here's the feminine singular nominative subject. The humiliation of Christ consists in this, in ao. This pronoun is replaced by the relative pronoun quod. Ao is acting as a substantive, then quod. In this, that, namely, he was born, fuerit natus, and in fact, or indeed quidem, humili conditione, in a low condition. Feminine singular ablative conditione, modified by humili, which is from the third declension adjective humilis. All third declension adjectives are I stem, with the exception of the comparatives. Moreover, he was made, factus, under the law. Quodque vitae huius miserias, and in fact, he underwent, quod subierit, he underwent from subeo, the irregular verb, subeo, subire, fourth conjugation, underwent or undergoing the miserias, the miseries, vitae huius, of this life. Miserias, feminine, plural, and accusative, is the object of subierit. Also undergoing the irdram Dei, the wrath of God, another accusative object of subierit, and mortem, death, the death of the cross. What kind? The execrabilem, the unspeakable, the disgusting death of the cross. So each one of these is accusative, namely miserias and irdram and mortem, with mortem modified by execrabilem. His humiliation also consists in this quod. So this quod here and that quod, there are three. That he was born, that he underwent, that he was buried, quod sepultus fuerit, and sub potestate mortis, under or subject to the potestate, the power, the sway of death, potestate, feminine, singular, and ablative, as the object of the preposition sub, and under the power of death he tarried, or he delayed, he persisted, aliquam Deo, for a certain amount of time. Camoratus is masculine, singular, and nominative. It's from the deponent verb commoror, first conjugation, commorari. So even though this form here is passive as a deponent, we translate it as an active. So he persisted under the power of death for a time, aliquam Deo.